I feel I can say with confidence that the two most popular foods in Thailand, for Thai people anyway, are Gui Diao and Pat Krapao. We are at an off the beaten track Gui Diao restaurant. Gui Diao is noodle soup. You can get it with a variety of noodles. The three basic ones are sen yai, the big flat ones, sen lek, the ones you probably see the most time, and sen mi, which look kind of like spaghetti noodles, maybe a little smaller. This place was hard to find, so we'll see if it lives up to its reputation. They were just calling it Ran Mai Mi Chu, restaurant with no name. Big guy, big guy อะไรเต้าหู้ทอดใช่ไหมครับ This is where the local people like to eat. In the West, you get a hamburger, a hot dog, you put on it what you like. Mustard, mayonnaise, relish, lettuce, tomato, whatever. In Thailand, when you get your Gui Diao, at the table you will notice something that's called a krung. Krung, you will find chili pepper, dried, vinegar with some chili pepper in it, and this is probably sugar. Oh no, it's another type of chili pepper. Oh, this is the sugar right here. Next, you just stir it up, little darling, stir it up. It's been a long, long time since I've had Gui Diao on my mind. Now that it's here, it's quite clear. This Harley boy about to grind. Here's a tip for you. Something you will not find in Thailand. Gui Diao lamb. OMG, that is broke the mouth. We bought lamb shanks at Costco and just boiled them just like the beef and made Gui Diao. That might be the best Gui Diao I've ever had, is the lamb shanks.
Chicken.
So good. It's a little tougher, a little chewier than I'm used to. And this is not a big bowl. How much was this? 50 baht. So, I don't know, in US dollars, $1.75, whatever country you're in, figure it out. No, I don't want your Gui Diao. I'll just eat mine. Thank you. Well, you usually like the meat to be just boiled down to where it just melts in your mouth. I think Thai people in general are used to the meat being a little bit tougher. See, I just ate the cartilage. Eat all that. Just eat it. Good for your joints. It's got collagen. Sen lek. Hot, sour, crunchy bean sprouts, chewy meat. When you order Gui Diao, you also have the option to get Luk Chin. Luk means small. Chin. Chin is like a piece. In English, we translate it as meatball. But they got tapioca flour, they got a bunch of stuff. It's not 100% meat. It's not like an Italian meatball, like you're going to get spaghetti. Not at all. But you usually have the option to put that in your Gui Diao also when you order. Personally, not really a fan. I'd rather eat real meat than something that has a lot of meat flavor and it's shaped in a ball. It's just not for me. I mean, I can eat it. I don't choose to eat it. If I was hungry, it was put in front of me, I'd eat it. I've eaten it before, and I'll eat it in Gui Diao. Sometimes it comes automatically. I'll say this, though, about this Gui Diao place. They put a lot of meat in their Gui Diao. Maybe even more than I like. Again, this is 50 baht. I'm used to paying 40 for a bigger bowl. It was 50 for a smaller bowl, but prices have gone up. So I understand. And we are right near the beach. We're in Ratyong province, by the way. Don't ask me to describe how to get here to this restaurant. It was difficult for us, and there's no name. Ran Mai Mi Shi. Well, you can find thousands just like it. Thai people don't use chopsticks as much as Japanese or Chinese, some other countries. But for Gui Diao, they do. Gui Diao is actually a Chinese word. Kway Teow. Kway Teow. But Thai, you say Gui Diao. And the tone, you can tell because there's very few words in Thai that have the plus sign above it. It makes the tone go Diao like that. If you don't read Thai and you see a restaurant that has words on it, and one of the words, the second word has a little plus sign over it, good chance it's a Gui Diao restaurant. Gui Diao. Ran Gui Diao. Ran means place, building, store. So Ran Gui Diao means Gui Diao restaurant. I don't know if you can see over there, but those birds are literally taking a dirt bath. I don't know if they're going to fly away when I approach them. They're going into the dirt, flapping their wings.